To honor the lives lost on that devastating day. CBS 2's Tamsen Fadal is live tonight in Lower Manhattan, where the remembrances of 9/11 have already begun. Tamsen?
Well, good evening. As you know, the ceremony will
Smith George lives with every day.
I live in Manhattan, and also I work about a block away from here. So on 9/11, I almost lost my life because when the second tower came down, we were exiting the building, and I was covered by dust and chased by that big cloud of smoke. And fortunately, I'm still alive.
George works at the American Stock Exchange, but he spent this night giving away his sketches that include the faces of the victims who lost their lives that day.
I wanted people to show the faces. As I say, I have about 98% of the faces here, and it's still hurting.
People came on this night to look for names of those they knew, but perhaps more than anything, they came to pay tribute so the world will never forget.
On September 11, 2011, President Barack Obama will be in New York City, at Ground Zero, to commemorate the 10th anniversary of September 11, 2001, World Trade Center tragedy that left about 3,000 innocent people dead. Haitian-American artist activist Smith George's artwork, titled A Tribute to 9/11 Heroes, which was on exhibit at the United Nations, has been estimated to worth more than $1 million. It's acrylic and collage on canvas that took the artist more than a year to finish it. The artwork was completed in 2002. Some of Smith's other paintings have been featured and published on Time magazines several times and by several other prestigious magazines and textbooks as well. Smith George's intends to donate the original artwork, titled A Tribute to 9/11 Heroes, to a museum in New York City. The artwork has been published on the front page of the New York Times. There is another Haitian-American artist by the name of Jean-Michel Basquiat, whose paintings are being sold today on the market for millions of dollars.
Now I invite you to my United Nations 9/11 art exhibit.
To bring up Shashi Tharoor, who is the Under-Secretary General of the United Nations.
I'd also like to commend Smith George, whose paintings, as you know, are also on display here, and in particular to draw your attention to his painting of 9/11 as we lean to this.
And may I perhaps now invite Smith George to say a few words.
Thank you very much for coming here. And also, j'aimerais bien dire quelque chose en français et bienvenue. Can change this world. And again, thank you so much for coming and enjoy the show. Thanks so much.
Well, I have decided to give you a tour of my artwork entitled Tribute to 9/11 Heroes. It is a tribute to those who lost their lives on September 11, 2001, that Tuesday. And I came very, very close to death. And as you can see, the faces of the firefighters, the police officers, and all the other folks who at that time worked in the Twin Towers. So if I go down, you can see massively how many people died that day, close to 3,000. And I have captured almost all the 3,000 faces here. And as you can see here, and it says in memory of the heroes of Tuesday, September 11, 2001, RIP, rest in peace, we will never forget. And then you see I sign my piece of artwork. It's acrylic on canvas and collage, and as you can see all those faces here. As you know, there are people from all nationalities, civil nationalities, that were killed that day. And myself, as a Haitian American, I know there were other Haitians either that were killed or were caught during that time when the attacks occurred. So namely, the Haitians that I know of, one that I'm related to was Farah Jeudi, and another person who used to live in my neighborhood, not too far, Wilbert Mirai, and there are some others. So we say rest in peace to all of them. This piece belongs to the museum. Eventually, that is where it's going to end up. Right after 9/11, when the emotion was war, I collected manuscript notes from people all over the world expressing their feeling, expressing their emotion, as you can see on those notes. And they were written in all languages, thousands and thousands and thousands. see my 9/11 art exhibit online and also other of my artworks, you can go to artandfreeworld.com as you see on the screen. Thank you.